and this is the finished result of the stick. Remember, these are the first ones. I don't do half a dozen and pull out the best one. So that was the first attempt at that, and that was, well, playing to get the conditions, and then first attempt on that, and then the machine kept cutting out, going through it. So I'll download the video, make your own minds up. That's what comes when you have to use a 45-year-old. Yeah. So look. Right, so I've run the brush over it. It's not focusing. That's better. So there's the oxyacetylene, the gas weld, and there's the stick. And as you could see, the old transformer didn't like it. It was cutting out. We got it done. We can flip him over. There's some root fusion. I could have done with a few more amps, but I'll let you make your mind up. I'm just terribly disappointed that this thing wouldn't work. 500 or 600 quid and you can't do a 2mm open corner, whereas this one, this was a freebie. I don't know how much they are nowadays. But I was definitely less than 30 when I got this, and I'm 75 now, so let's train my grandchildren, that is.